Well, hello everybody. This is the first of what I hope will be many videos on my walk, my 100 miles walk in support of the wonderful Belarus Women's Foundation. Why them? Well, I know their work. I was honoured to be asked to be on the board, so I know for certain this is a charity I can trust and that anything I raise will go to support women who have suffered repression in the regime and their families. Everybody has a mother, a grandmother, a daughter, a sister, a friend who's a woman, yes? So it's not exclusive at all. But in honour of the women who had the courage to stand and form a credible opposition to the dictator Lukashenko, I am doing this. This is why I do the work, and this is why I am going to exhaust myself doing my 100 miles in 2 weeks. Not as an athlete. I've got spinal problems and the remnants of long COVID. It will be more of a stroll. So I'm giving myself 2 weeks, but I will be keeping a record of everything I do. I've got 2 pedometers. I will be doing my checking my step total, and I will publish those. Every penny you give will go to help this work. We have no overheads. None of us do it for any money. I work, I translate, I edit, I do all kinds of things for this because I believe that women have played and will play a significant role in the moves towards creating a new democratic Belarus, which is something I've waited for 31 years since I first went there with my work. Going for a walk is very significant in Belarus right now. There's an activist, a great grandmother called Nina Bahinskaya. She's in her 70s and she goes for walks with her flag, with this flag. The white red flag, the historic flag of Belarus, which is banned. Even the colours red and white can lead you to arrest if you're wearing red and white socks. There's a great photo of Nina Bahinskaya standing, she's quite small, standing facing policemen and riot police. And they've asked her what she's doing. And she says, "Ya gulyаю," which is, I'm going for a walk. And that's become really symbolic of those courageous people who I think are as the children, the grandchildren of Nina Bahinskaya all over Belarus. So today and for the next 2 weeks, ya gulyаю, ya gulyаю. At least I won't get arrested unless I do something outrageous. But for going for a walk with red and white, I will not be arrested because we have the power to speak out and wear what we like. And I'm fighting for the freedom of the people of Belarus to do the same. Please support me. I'm not going to come over all Bob Geldof because Belarusians are very well behaved, but you know what I'm saying. I'm doing this at quite considerable risk to my health. So no pressure mind, but any donation or sharing my link on my Twitter page at LEC375, the phone code for Minsk, I should say. Please help. Every little helps. Thank you. Дякую. And Živje Belarus. Long live Belarus.